Usually here, the founder of Dead Bot Transformation, and today we're gonna go over TDEE calculator just to show you how this works. Alrighty. So on your left, you're gonna start with unit of measure, which is imperial or metric, and then on right you have male and female. You can of course disregard this part, and this is there because of the system behind, and I can't really remove this, but it's pre-selected to male and the rest kind of implies. Since I'm in the United States, I'm gonna go with imperial, and I'm gonna start with my age. After that, I'm gonna go and put my weight, which at the moment it's 184 pounds. I am 5'10", and we're gonna go and move down, and in this area you will see your BMI, which is used for this formula. It just gives you the basically the reference that was based on your age, your weight, and your height. Don't be alarmed by this number unless you are grossly overweight or obese. Other than that, just keep on scrolling. Okay. Here we have Bmr Formula, and since I don't really know my body fat percentage, okay, it's nothing but a guesstimate, and I don't guesstimate anything, so I'm gonna go with the total body mass instead. Okay, so next you will see daily activity level, which does not include exercise. This is pretty important, and if you click here, you will find the explanations behind and what does sedentary, moderately active, active, or very active means. Since I work from home, I move, but it's not really sedentary, so I'm gonna go ahead and use the pre-selected, which is moderately active. After that, you have exercise intensity level. If you're not sure, click here and this will tell you what this means. You have casual, moderate, vigorous, and extreme. So now, unless you have been doing this for a long time, or if you are hooked on a machine, you can't really know how many calories are you burning per minute, okay? It can be 3, 6, 9, or 12. Since I know myself, and as I said, you have to do this for a while to be able to figure out. So I'm going to go ahead and select vigorous. Minutes spent per day exercising at vigorous intensity. For me, it's 45 minutes. I exercise every day, so I'm gonna go ahead and slide to 7. Okay, my body composition goal at this moment, it's neither fat loss or weight gain, so I'm gonna go ahead and choose maintenance. Okay, so now you have 3 different calories here. First, you have a BMR, which is your calories at rest. What that means, it's basically blinking, breathing, and things like that. So this does not include anything. This is just for the basic body functionalities. Okay, your base TDEE is your maintenance calories. Okay, and as you can see, this is 2569, which matches with my goal TDEE. And if I would change this to fat loss, this number still stays the same, and my goal TDEE is lowered. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and go back to maintain. Okay, and just so you know, if you choose fat loss, okay, now you have goal intensity. And if again you're not sure, you're gonna click here. You have 300 calories, which is light, 400 calories is average, and aggressive it's 500 calories. Okay, I would highly recommend well, I cannot highly recommend. Let me just advise you guys, go with light at first, okay? Because if you cut your calories too aggressive, and that will um, be 500 calorie deficit, later on you're not going to be able to reduce anything, and I don't want you guys to be in a situation where you're not eating enough and your weight is not moving. So go light instead, and or even average, which is 400 calories. Okay, so I'm gonna go back to maintain, and after this you will have for your convenience only the macros. Okay, if you guys are using something else, this part you can completely disregard and don't even worry about it. Okay, this is just a simple math and basically general recommendations only. The only thing from this calculator that you guys need is your goal TDEE, nothing else. But let's say that you do, okay? And for my maintenance, I'm gonna need 1 gram of protein per pound, and my fats are 0.5 grams per pound. And now the one thing that you don't see is absence of carbohydrates. And the only reason for that is that these calories right here are being calculated like this. First, you're gonna have your protein calories, then you have your fat calories, and the rest of the calories will be filled with carbs, okay? In this section, you can select meals per day. Let's say that you're eating 6 times, and here we are. This is pretty much it, guys. And just so you know that this is a big formula. It calculates your age, your weight, your height, your BMI, your BMR, your daily activities, exercise activities, and things like that. If you guys have any questions, please do not hesitate to post below. And I really hope that I explained this the way that you can understand. And if you cannot, ask away. Thank you very much. Bye.